This demo assumes you have seen our scorecard overview. The scorecard delivers store performance results and tracks the action taken to resolve problems. I will show you how to set up the scorecard. Let's begin. Here's an example scorecard. The alerts show first, then the grades. The grades are based on fuel, inside sales, lottery, customer count, cash loss, and transaction cancels. The store is not performing well based on the grade settings. Let's see how the scorecard is configured. You set the grades and alerts separately. Let's start by looking at grades. Each grade can be allocated a weight to determine how much impact it will have on the store grade. Many C-store operators will tie grades to bonus plans and specific goals, so the grades show a summary of the overall ratings quickly. Here, the focus is on inside sales growth, weighted at 70% of the grade, with only a small part of the grade tied to cash loss and transaction cancellations. The grades include any major group and just the departments you want. You set the weighting for each group. The percentage change sets the value for the grade according to its weight. Grades are values based on the growth rates. Large negative declines rate an F, and the largest growth rate gets an A+. You control the exact values. The grades are dynamic, so you may change them and see the impact immediately. I will change the grade groups to inactive except for inside sales and show the difference. The grades went from F to A by changing what is measured. You control what is important. Here's the impact of only looking at inside sales as opposed to included all the other categories. Next, let's look at how to set the alerts. Alerts are based on the category. Each alert can be marked as acknowledgement required or not. They can be based on a comparison, threshold, or message. Compare to alerts can be based on day, week to date, or month to date versus the previous year results. You set the change that forces the alert to trigger. You can specify increases or decreases based on a percentage. Another type alert is the threshold. For example, you can set a threshold for the void count and set the number of voids that is unacceptable to trigger an alert. The third alert type is the message. You can send company notifications in the daily email and determine if you wish for them to be acknowledged. Notice as you scan the alerts that not all limits are set identically. For critical items such as grocery, beer, and cigarettes, you can set tight limits to force attention to any declines. For other items, you can set larger limits before the alert is created. The process is quick and simple. We can have you running in just a short period of time. We offer free trials. Give us a try.